Good morning guys. Literal nakakagising ko lang. And nasa Laguna branch kami ngayon. Papunta na kami sa pet show. Naisa ako sa guest speaker and medyo kinakabahan ako. Currently, it's 4 AM. Ang start namin sa pet show, ang call time ko is at least 6:30 or 7 AM. Kasi magsa-start na kami sa deworming and then sa anti-rabies vaccination. So, tara, sumama kayo sa amin.
Important venue where we can exchange our show.
So, hi guys. Papunta na kami doon sa venue, sa school ko. And, medyo kinakabahan ako. Pero, kaya naman. Mamaya pa naman ako mag-opening remarks, mga 10 AM. So, it's currently 7. And, hopefully, wala nang meron na naghihintay for anti-rabies. Grabe. Ayan yung mga tambayan sa school. Vet building. Ay. Kahit sobrang maulan, thankfully nakapunta na agad kami sa school. Kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. Nahanap ko yung tambayan ng Saver. Nakakatuwa. Ang raming memories. Naalala ko dito, yung mga batchmates ko. Dito kami nagre-review and nagre-ready for reporting. Itong tambayan na to, ganyan na ganyan pa rin siya. Susunduin natin ang aking bitch. Ay, ang aking bestie pala. I miss you! Artista ka ba para sunduin?
Ha?
Artista ka ba para sunduin?
Dalag na ba?
Ay! Nakadag ka.
Ay?
Go Chanel! Show us your moves! Show Ninang! Hi guys! So we're just waiting for the program to start and I'll be the guest speaker for the opening remarks of the Saver and Lady Saver Pet Show 2025. So we're just waiting. Natutuwa ako sa setup na ginawa ng ating mga residents. So my brothers and sis, I love you so much. Napakaganda ng pet show. Napaka-organized. Naku, may shih tzu naiwan. Where's your mother? Or your father?
We come before you with grateful hearts, acknowledging your goodness and grace. Thank you for the gift of this day and the opportunity to gather together for this pet show.
The program proper officially started at 10 a.m. Resident Veterinarian. Let's give a warm welcome and a great round of applause to our very own sis, Dr. Maria Adrian Justin Ed Co.
A blessed morning to all of us. It's a great honor to be here with you all. From our fur parents, students, DLSAU staff, Saver and Lady Saver, our judges, our guest speaker, Dr. Nielsen Donato, and of course, our adorable stars of our show, our fur babies. I'm Doc Adrian, but you can call me Doc Aid, not just the retrovirus, okay? So, welcome. Nasa pet show tayo ng Lady Saver and Saver. So, makikita nyo, pet gala to. So, I hope you guys like it.
Hello po, shoutout po sa nanay ko, sa mga kapatid ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga bumubuo po ng ng itong session na to. Maraming salamat po. Sana marami po kayong matulungan.
Sasapakin.